Hey everyone! Here's a bunch of cool videos for you to check out. The first video shows how a well is made normally dug by hand, but this time using a super advanced machine. The second video features automatic peanut candy packaging, all done by machines. The third video shows a machine that seals spray bottles neatly and precisely, stacking it into square bales and loading it onto a truck. The fourth video captures the process of lifting freshly cut grass. The fifth video shows the mixing and moving of crushed stones using heavy machinery. The sixth video takes us through how nails are made from start to finish. The seventh video features a powerful machine cutting tall grass efficiently. The eighth video shows firewood being split with serious force. The ninth video shows how paper cups are made eco-friendly and practical. The 10th video is about the process of making firecrackers, pretty detailed and fun to watch. The 11th video shows how aluminum spray perfume bottles are made. The 12th video features automatic tape sealing on packages fast and neat. The 13th video shows how old cars are collected and crushed for recycling. Video fishing in the ocean with tons of fish being caught. watching and enjoy the show.